you had to know parts of real estate. You had to know financials, like there was like things on tax liabilities and like stuff like that. There was things on occupancy, and there's things on like NOI and cap rates and different valuations, and knowing if something is intrinsically like under or overvalued. So like you had to have a lot.
I need to get that case study from you. If you still have it, I'll pay you for it for our real estate modeling course. It sounds awesome. Because we have a bunch of cases already in there, but that one sounds pretty cool because it's like a mix. It's like a puzzle almost.
Yeah, it's a really good one. So
we could change it. We could change it and hide it if they're willing to share, or change the name so it's not obvious.
Yeah, we can discuss. But so that was the first step. The second step was they gave me a public company, a public REIT. And I had to build like an investment thesis around it and figure out, would it be a good opportunity to invest in? One of the principals of the firm I work for was head of acquisitions at a shopping center REIT that would own minority pieces of companies. So they would go buy like 20 or 40% of this company, 20, 40% of that company. And so but in the public market, so to say. And so it was kind of through that lens he gave me, said, let me know if you think it would be worth us taking a look at doing, a minority investment in this company. And so I gave them my analysis. It ended up being like somewhat in the ballpark. It wasn't perfect. I guess it was better than whoever else was interviewing because I got the job.